Foods to eat when you got the sniffles. First, broth-based soups, packed with nutrients and hydration. They comfort you while easing congestion. Next up, citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C, which can help decrease the duration of your cold. Don't forget garlic. It has compounds that boost the immune system and have antiviral properties. Another key food, ginger. This root can alleviate a sore throat and reduce nausea. For throat comfort, try hot tea with honey. It soothes the sore throat and coughs. Lastly, yogurt. It contains probiotics that support your gut health, a cornerstone of your immune system. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial, so keep water, herbal teas, and clear broths in your diet too. This has been a quick roundup of foods that can help your body fight a cold. Take care and get well soon.